What's your name, bro?
Ethan.
Do we fucking love Ethan? Ethan, is this your girl next to you?
No, she's my friend.
Oh, shit. How long you guys just been friends for? Tell us, young lady.
2 years.
Yo, wait. Y'all need to be a couple. Cause they be singing. I know the auto-tune is out, but they kind of hitting it. Hell yeah. How old are you, my guy?
20.
Oh shit, what about you?
21.
21. Damn, Ethan. She 21. You don't got a girlfriend?
Morgan Chill, I got a girlfriend.
What'd you say?
I got a girlfriend.
You got it? You said you got one?
I got a girlfriend.
Hold up.